SEO for Dummies. I got this. In this video, I'm going to show you what SEO is, what it looks like, and how you can use it to drive more traffic to your website, blogs, or videos. And we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to VideoZeus. If you want to learn how to spend less time making more videos, start by clicking that subscribe button now. Let's talk about SEO a bit. A lot of people think it's some kind of magic, but that's not the case. Just take a look at it from your perspective. What do you do when you want to find something on the internet? You search for it, right? Then you click on one of the links on the first page of the search results. In fact, more than 90% of visitors will behave exactly the same way. Ever wonder how those web pages at the top of your search results got there? It's because they were search engine optimized. Exactly how search engines work is a closely guarded secret, but the main principles are known. They're based on two main factors: keywords and links. Let's focus on keywords first. Your chances for a better ranking grow when your website contains the same words that are being searched. Keywords are especially effective when they're found in a website title, address, or headings. But careful, quality over quantity should be your rule of thumb. Some so-called SEO experts try to fool the search engines with some ridiculous keyword occurrence, instead focusing on quality content first. How about links? Websites that link to yours basically tell search engines that you've got some good stuff there. Again, quality over quantity. Links from irrelevant sites won't help you get a better rank. Now, what we just talked about provides a basic introduction to SEO. Whether you're a business owner, blogger, or video creator, having this clear picture of what good SEO is and how it's done will become the basis for making more informed marketing decisions down the road. If you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a like. And if you want to watch more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.